Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can delete Facebook account permanently. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap Facebook. Then at bottom right, tap menu. Tap account center. Tap personal details. Tap account ownership and control. Deactivation or deletion. Select your Facebook account. Deactivate account or delete account. Select delete account. Continue. Select a reason why you want to delete your account. For example, I don't feel safe on Facebook. Continue. Continue. Deactivate account. Go to activity log. Download information if you want to download your information. I directly want to continue to delete my Facebook account. Continue. Just insert your password. Just continue. Confirm permanent account deletion. Just delete. That's all. Have a nice time.